Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin and the alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well. You had a very nice weekend. Good morning to your mate in the chat. Hope you had a good weekend too. Personally, I went to Amsterdam, so it was pretty cool. Went on Friday very early around 3 AM, so yeah, didn't really trade it on Thursday and came back yesterday very late at night, but it was very cool. So yeah, didn't check the chart really since Thursday after the live stream really, so around, if I'm correct, well, yeah, around the low here. As I said, this was not very strong here, but we've got some more data next over the day, and on the reclaim here, just check it before to go live, we've got some nice amount of longs coming in here, filling the market to push higher. So basically we've got a bounce, and the bounce, so basically we'll have to update all this chart. I didn't retouch it everything here. So we've got a bounce, but we've got, you can see a small retest, and this small retest here. After this retest, all this move here was pretty strong, not gonna lie. That brings us here with this lovely rise we've got to the top of the range. So before to continue, just gonna check here that the sound is working well really quickly. Yes, perfect. I may be talking a little bit too close to the microphone, by the way. Gonna try to not do this again. So gonna just mute the stream, perfect, and gonna pop out the chat here so everyone can see. Boom. Good morning, mate. Hope you had a great weekend. So Bitcoin. Yeah, let's do the levels first of all, so we can get rid of a few things there. The monthly, what was that monthly? Yeah, I mean the monthly, we can get rid of that. We can remove this, perfect, this and this. Yep. Well, what happened here really? We've got a first short target, you can see here. That was the SFP. Wait, the second, yeah, okay. So what happened here? We went into the second short target, flipping the first one into support, and next we've got this nice small short. I did took the short here, by the way. We did took profit next, and did not even set my stop on entry, but then I've got stopped. Oh, by the way, yeah, because that was an MC strat target. I was like, yeah, but I was not there, so how can... Yeah, that was an MC strat target. The reason why, as I was not at a computer, well, I was not able to set my stop on entry, simple as that. But anyway, so here we've got a reclaim, flip into support of the second short target, and the nice continuation into the next zone of resistance, really. So this short here, I don't really know the data, was not there. So personally here, this was an MC strat target there, so I did took that one here, but took profit after $800 move, and then, well, stopped out personally, but yeah, because I was not at the computer. So this one, now we can get rid of that. And next we've got another reclaim, flip to support and bounce. So yeah, let me just let's keep it for the moment. This one here, we can remove it. No, this might change it now. All right, so let me see here. We're Monday, so we're the first. We have to update the weekly levels. Wait. Okay, yeah. All right, one weekly down there. Let's take that one. Weekly, monthly, it's already done. Okay, daily level, we don't have any new one. Wow, only green colors on this, pretty crazy. Okay, so let's go on exo charts there. Where is this? Here, levels. Let's go on the weekly naked point of control. Well, this seems to be a very good target below here, around the weekly level. Let's see what's the price. 93,775. Yeah, definitely. So boom. And 93, oops, 775. Perfect. Let's go on the ticks 1. Oh, wait. 95,531.5. 95,531.5. Okay, let's keep that one here. Good. Let's go DNPOCs now. That is way too close. 97,662.5. The NPOC, perfect. Yeah, that is very close, but anyways, we'll see. Alright, let's go on the ticks 1 here. Nothing new. Okay, let's go on the other templates. Don't forget, if you want to get these templates and follow along or do this simply on your site, you can simply go and sign up on the MOONCHARTS website, go in the course section, you can just scroll down a bit and you will get this download section here. You have this nice XOCharts Pro workspace. You just have to click this and this will download the file. You just have to extract next to the workspace, go into the workspace here, import the workspace on the top. Once you imported the workspace, click it in the list here and you will get on the left here the levels section and you will have these templates. Yeah, so 96,746 746, perfect. TPO 93,590, it was already on the bottom there. Yes, then what do we have there? Oh wow, 1 2 3 94 8 90 96 to 90 here. Okay, 97 530. Wow, that's a lot of levels. 97 5, I said what? 530, yeah. And that's it. All right, perfect. So the top right now, I just got a few minutes to check at this before the stream to go live. So we've got a load of longs here at the very top. The premise, this is strong, I'm not going to lie, because next we don't have any absorption on any time frame really. Yeah, nothing is getting absorbed. We have a strong uptrend. We don't have any bearish CVD. Yeah, to be honest with you, this is strong. Just got a bit of a weakness at the top here, but the best really will be to go and take the overall high here at the very least to go for a next short. That was this one here really. No, but we've got another one high. I was about to say the only one, but no, we've got another one. So the best way to go and take the high here minimum and see what is going on next once we've took the high. Right now, to be honest, this was not really bearish. The retracement here is just due to a bit of weakness. We didn't go any more longs here coming at the very top. Just you can see here some shorts closing, bit of weakness that brings us with a reversal. But overall, in the 30 minutes, to be honest with you, the latest uptrend is very strong, very healthy, unless of course we start breaking all the longs here and you start getting acceptance below the longs, so to speak, below this. Well, if we start getting acceptance below here, this 30-minute candle, this is not looking very strong anymore. Okay, but as soon as we remain above, we don't get acceptance below that, it's fine. And yeah, we can still look for higher. The best way to go, as I said, and take the top, because for now we didn't. And this on every, even on Coinbase, maybe we did took that high on Coinbase. Let me see here. Wow, yes, we did took the high. You can see very small, but it's still there. Yeah, best way to take it on Bybit. And do we have any, by the way, CME gap? No, we don't. We have one, a very small one below here. 94,700, 94,400. Okay. Alright, so before to go with a wave, let's finish to update these levels. So first of all, we can pull, if we retrace directly from here, because we already have the resistance, right? We do have the short trades. This was already planned in the last update. We have these two short trades above. So be aware of that. If we get acceptance above this TPO, so to speak, if we get a really acceptance above here, we do not do, for example, a complex level approach like this. So we just do a fake out above. If we really get acceptance above here, we are going to go at least to 100,000 for 104,000, by the way. Yeah, so to speak, break 100,000, go to 104,000 here on Bitcoin at the very least. Okay, so really key zone of resistance just above us. Very, 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 very important. If we do break this, bam, 104,000. And if we do break 104,000 here, we can look for a new all-time high, so to speak. And we're going to plan the targets next using the wave. No worries. So yeah, these are the two resistance. We have planned the two different short trades. Now we can simply look for the support. So if we do go more down directly from here, I'm not really looking to these levels. We can look directly for the path control here with the naked session path control and the TPO. So this right here will be my first long target. If we drop this down like that, okay. So the first long target is this. Again, this is very high for a long, but well, this is still a good target. Let me just boom. This right here is the next possible long trade. So what was the longs here? That was in case we had to go more down here. We didn't. So we've got the long here at the end, from the bottom of the range. Don't know if you are still in there. Personally, I did call it my long next. Oh wow, why is it doing this? I did something wrong here, or yeah, there you go, the bottom of the full range. Just get rid of that. Perfect. So I did close the long here manually, and then I wasn't on the computer in this whole thing here, so I don't know if this right here was really good for a long, but I guess because you've got a nice increase in price to the, well, a full reversal really to the top of the range, so I think that was good. This data was good. But anyway, so yeah, if we have to drop from here, this is the first target. Let me just move this a little bit more on the left. Perfect. And so yes, it's right in there. And so let me just move this a little bit more on the right, but just want to move also this right here. Perfect. Wait, we cannot move down the right. Perfect. There you go. So we can place the longs here. So we have the short. The first long is this. If we have to drop below that, we can simply look for the next target. That is boom, boom, boom. This 61866% down to the weekly level, basically, with a weekly naked path control, another TPO, another naked session path control. This wall zone here is the next long target. If we have to drop from here, if we get acceptance below here, I will be careful trying to long. Okay, if we get acceptance below here, I'll be careful longing this zone of price. We have a monthly negative path control down there, but I will not put so much into it, to be honest with you, because we have the Valera low. So if we have to bounce off this, okay, if we have to go below here, flip that into resistance, go into the next zone of support, that is a daily, well, the bottom of the range really, daily with a monthly naked point of control. If we have to long this, I will wait personally for this Valera low here to be reclaimed, okay, or the latest downtrend, so this latest downtrend here, Valera low to be reclaimed and flip it into support. If we do so, then it can be a long trade, okay. But yeah, for now these are the two long trades. I can see the best ones, and if we go below, well, we can just look, you know, for the next long trades we have planned, so to speak, the ones right here, okay, the next zone of support here. So first target is around 90,500. If we do drop below, we can go for 87,000 down to 85,200 really, okay, 85,200. Let me just control this so I can get back this one here. Perfect. So these are the longs, these are the shorts. We have, well, yeah, everything is planned here, so now we can go for the wave. Let me just set an alert here really quickly. Perfect. Gonna set something here too, and let's place something here once we took the highs. So the wave here, what's happened? Well, we've got our bottom made exactly on our FIB time. So we've got the top on our FIB time, we've got the bottom on our FIB time. Yeah, this is pretty lovely. Look at that. This is just pretty insane, right? This is exactly on our FIB time. We've got a bounce from our targets now. Not gonna lie, we do have more likely an ending to the upside, but I'm gonna take this as a leading with a smaller wave of an ending, so to speak. We'll have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm looking for a wave 5 here. So once you've got the 5 waves and you're into a wave 5 and you did not took the highs yet, so the wave 5 stop before the wave 3 top, you simply have to look for a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and then bam, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to look for, I'm going to look for this mainly right now, a bigger impulsive like that, so we can look for the 2 long targets here below. Okay, we'll have plan. And so now we can simply plan the wave 5 targets, right? So I'm more likely bullish unless we start breaking some few support there on Bitcoin, so to speak. The 2 long targets we'll have plan really. If we start breaking the last one and we're not holding it, it's not looking so good, to be honest with you. So let's go back here on the 8 hours. We can just take our FIB extension, click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and whoops, misclicked that. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, and the third click here is going to go for the wave 4 bottom. From here we can add the wave 5 targets, and we can pull also the confluence here will be the green wave 3 targets. So we can also get rid of the other targets. You can see here all these 3 targets we had there was simply for the top of the wave 5 and the top, so to speak, the top of the wave 3 here. So we went into our FIB time on the date, and we went into our first resistance, and we've got a lovely drop from here. So we can simply now get rid of these FIBs, get rid of these targets, and we can simply put the new one. So let's do it again. Boom, wave 1 root, wave 1 top. The wave 3 is more equals to 1618, more than 1618. So we can pull the wave, the third click on the wave 4 bottom. No, that was the good FIB, perfect. And so we can move this on the right. Let's go with 250 and let's go with 350. A little bit more here, a little bit more too. There you go. If we drop in any case, okay, if this, for example, because it's possible that, for example, this is still an A, B, C flat into a W, X and Y, so that will make sense that this is an ending. This is possible. We can make a new low and then come back up, for example. This is absolutely something possible. Now in terms of time, to be honest with you, the wave 4 is okay. It's absolutely fine. Don't know what's doing the RSI, by the way, when below on the daily time frame, but what says the weekly time frame is still holding very nicely. 3 days is all good too. So yeah, we're good, to be honest with you. It's all good. It's fine. Nothing to worry for the moment. So yeah, these are the targets really. So we can look, oh well, that will be very unlikely to stop just with a swing through pen here, to be honest. So we can take only these 2 ones above. So the first target is going to be 113,000 red. So 113,000 is the first, well, 14,000. Again, please don't forget the 1618, so this first blue level, and the 2618, the second blue level. These 2 targets here are, these 2 FIBs are not really all the time touched to the dollar and then being rejected. Okay, it's most of the time going to go a little higher, spend some time, and then fall from here. We are most of the time going to do this on these 2 FIBs, so it's more like a zone of price from the FIB to a little higher. We're going to be able to make some more accurate targets once we're going to get a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Once we're going to get this wave 4 bottom in, we're going to be able to add a smaller wave 5 targets, and so these smaller wave 5 targets are going to be in confluence with this bigger wave 5 FIBs, and so we're going to be able to get some really more accurate targets. Okay, but for the moment we are having this first target 114,000, okay, and the second target here is sorry, 127,000, 128,000 really. Okay, these are the 2 targets we can look for right now. Shall we push higher? If we go for an extension, we'll update this later. We can just pull, for example, the log scale here at the wave 5 turret, and there you go. We have, for example, 133, and next we have 169, 70,000 by the way. Yeah, but for the moment, let's stay with these two. That will do the job, to be honest with you. Wanted to do something here, yeah, at the wave 3, the bigger wave 3 target. So we can pull this extension tool, wave 1 root, wave 1 top, wave 2 bottom, but it looks like we're in an extension now. Yeah, so we have, you can see here, we have this nice max wave 3 target, 423.6, so we can look for all of this really, but normally we should go and touch the wave 5 1618. So normally we should go really to the top of this target, so it's not very useful to use this fib. Okay, so yeah, this was a bullish plan really, so now we can look simply for a wave 1, maybe a little high, one more push up will be cool, with the retracement 3 4 5. This will complete, boom, this wave 5, and this wave 5 is going to complete the higher time frame, medium time frame here, green wave 3. And next we shall get another wave 4, and then another wave 5 again, and this wave 5 is going to complete this time a big wave 5 or a big wave 3 top, it depends, we'll see this later. Let's change the color of this. We can use some sorry, some pink wave like this maybe. Yeah, let's do this. Wave 4, what is this? Yeah, let's go in that. Perfect. Just in case we are bearish, so we are ready, and yeah, we're just prepared. If we have to make a longer wave 4, so to speak. Just gonna drink a bit of coffee real quick. Alright, sorry. So here, if we have to make a longer wave 4, so the fib times are not going to be respected in that case, we can look simply for a longer W, X and a Y wave. And so this right here was an ABC flat A, B, and we've got an ending here to the upside, and so this right here was for a C wave and not for a wave 1. So yeah, this is a bearish configuration if we really have to take the lows once more, so you know what to take. In that case, we'll be able to pull this extension tool from the W root to the W bottom to the X wave top, add, you know, the correction targets, so to speak, MC extension 618, 71, 786. Sorry, then we have the 120 extension, then we have the 123, and then the 1618. You can see here already this, well, it matched really the targets we have planned with the levels already below us, so it's all good. Yeah, so this is the bearish configuration if we have to make one more new low on Bitcoin. So let me just wave 4 bearish, let's name it like that, we'll do the job, to be honest. There you go, and yeah, we're done with Bitcoin, I think. That was, yeah, perfect. Alright, so let's just remove that and put this here, and let's add this wave impulsive here to the upside. And do this a little bit smaller. Perfect. So yeah, the wave 2 targets really are going to be that one. Please just be aware of that if we do this and then come back down. Okay, we are going to update these targets because the thing is, the volume is going to change. We're going to pull it on the top here. So maybe the value high is going to be a little bit well higher. The path control is maybe going to shift a little bit higher into these levels, and the value low is maybe going to shift, for example, all the way up here. I don't know what's going to change, but just be aware of that. If we do get another rise, the long targets are going to change. So please make sure to join the Discord server in here, and I'm gonna post into the Mateos update if there is anything to update. Okay, again, this channel is absolutely free, so yeah, make sure to join it. Do not miss any update. Yeah, so Bitcoin, we're done. I don't know if there are any requests in the chat here. Sorry, so I love to see updates on GOKU, Ton, and Matic Poll. Yes, okay, so GOKU. Why do I have 2 PP here? That was BOME normally. That was the opposite, by the way. That was BOME here and PP here, if I am correct. Alright, so you said GOKU, so GOKU, it's here. Well, we've got our wave 5 here into the first resistance from our buy zone, so we've got a lovely increase in price here. From the very bottom, wow, 200%, otherwise 100% here. So we can get rid of that now. We've got a bounce and we've got the rejection now, so we can also get rid of the targets. Really well respected, that's pretty cool. So it's either a C wave top. Let's move this. Sorry, so it was either well, either a C wave top now, so for example, if I have to be bullish now, we're simply going to go for a higher time frame W. This is a correction time bear market, if we can say that. And then you have the Y wave to the upside, boom, bull market again, bull market is back. So let's change that to minor white, but let's make this red, and let's change this to, yeah, perfect, red also like that. Maybe something a bit darker. Perfect. Can that be a wave 4 here? So if this is a wave 3, well, it's not impossible. Why? Because we are into the first impulsive move, so this can be a leading, for example, so we can get a last push to the upside. And so after this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, well, once you've got the 5 waves, you can look for a bigger A, B, bam, bear market, and C, or 1, 2, and bam, next 3, 4, 5. Well, this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really, but on this bigger time frame. Okay, so this only time can tell. You just have to bet really on the scenarios. Now the thing is also to plan the targets, but the thing is we already got the drop and the bounce right now. So what can we do? Let me see. Can we do some volume pulls on this? Okay. Sorry again. All right. The monthly. Let's do the levels here real quick. This one is already tapped. Now this one is untapped too. Yeah, this is crazy where we've got a bounce from. Right. So sorry by the way if you hear some noise in the background. Right. Let's see if we pull. Okay, and if we pull it like that, it's pretty hard to find some confidence here, not gonna lie. Well, I'm not going to lie, that the best target here will be this, to make just one more Nilo. Yeah. That was a pretty complex bottom, not gonna lie. If you pull the extension tool on that. Okay, 123 there. Best will be this 1618, but well. So yeah, we do have another target down here. VPOC. So we can look basically for this SFP into the path control here. That is the next target really. If we do break that, we're going to update that later, because if we go that down, okay, if we do get this drop, we'll be able to pull an extension tool from this top to this bottom to this top. And so we're going to be able to get some targets, and moreover this, we're going to be able to get the smaller wave fib pull from here to here to here. That is going to give the targets here. So we're going to be able to get some more confidence using this, but we need the latest data here to get to manage to do this. But yeah, for now this is the next target. Otherwise with a wave, yeah, that'll be this. So if we are into the X wave now, we are going to do simply a bigger triple wave. So this was in any case a take profit, as I said. We're going to do a bigger triple wave. This is going to be the first target for the moment, but again, if we get another drop here, we're going to get some more data, and we need this data at the moment to plan really some more accurate targets below. But yeah, for now this is a target. So yeah, if we do the bigger triple wave for now, this is a target. If we do rise from here, well, this was a very complex bottom, to be honest with you. And well, now in any case for me it's too late, because I'm updating this now, so it's really way after the bounce, so we cannot really do anything about it. So yeah, it's just really in case we go more down. Cannot really tell if you have to buy or not now, because are we in the XY, still in the X wave, or into the wave 5 now? I have absolutely no idea, to be honest with you. And as this one, to be honest, oh no, this is not a very, very, very new coin. Don't know if it's following Bitcoin a lot, that one, to be honest. Well, yeah, that is the update on this one. Ton. If I'm correct, I did updated that on my side, but I'm not sure. No, I did not. Wow, when was the last update on this one? Just can't remember. Yeah, it's not even in there. So the last update was in October. Wow, okay. So in October, wait, on what day exactly? 21 of October. Okay, so it was around there. So I guess the plan was, if we had to get that long here, we had to get a reclaim of this path control, and on the reclaim here, flip to support, we could get that long trade. Here we just went into the weekly naked path control. And so what was the plan on this? Okay, I don't know, I think we didn't got any wave on that. Okay, so what is the context on this? First of all, we are into a wave 4 normally. Yeah, I'll be a bit careful with that wave 4, I'm not going to lie, because this is a very long one right now. And on a weekly time frame, we do break that wave to bottom, not on the monthly time frame, so it's fine. But here, let's take that for the moment. So if Bitcoin is in the wave 5, normally the wave 4 here should be in. Okay, so this wave 5 we can take that if Bitcoin is into the wave 5 too, so to speak. We're in this really. Okay, we're in this impulsive here to the upside. If we're in this impulsive, again, we can drop on this. Okay, but is more likely going to go and follow Bitcoin, so to speak. Okay, so if Bitcoin is bullish, we can look for this nice increase in price. I don't know what this targets. Okay, so there's a wave 5 targets, but for now we're not going to do this. Yeah, so in that case, what can we do? Yeah, this is very high, but well. Yeah, well, we went into the X target retracement. Let me see. All right. Right. Let me see if we pull the extension tool on that thing. Okay, so where is the bottom on their side? I'll see this more as an ABC zigzag, to be honest, but yeah, targets on both sides are not so respected, not gonna lie. So this right here will be for a bigger double DXY here, so a bigger correction here into the wave 4. Jeez, my voice. Sorry about that. So let me just put this into red. There you go. 2 seconds, please. Wow. Sorry. So yeah, double the XY here to the downside. That will be in case Bitcoin is not holding the wave 5 and we go for, well, you know, the bearish configuration on Bitcoin. That will be the bearish plan. In that case, what can we do here? We can simply pull the extension tool, click first on the W root, then on the W bottom, and then on the X wave top here. At the correction targets, I'm just gonna move this a little bit more on the right, and there you go. We have the MC extension first of all, so more likely going to go for a little bit lower here into the 71.70x6. Okay, and if we do break this, we can look for the 120 extension next to 123 and next to 1618. Now, if we are bullish, can still be a wave 1212, to be honest with you, a double wave 1212. That'll be for the bearish configuration in case Bitcoin is yours. Bearish. Yeah, this is a bit complex on the alts, again, not gonna lie. So this is bearish, and so if we are bullish, and so for now, to be honest with you, as Bitcoin is well, maintain the support, we can look for this more likely. So it will be here. A wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2 next. Can also bring us with an ending, to be honest, within the wave 5. This right here is an ABC zigzag. Oops. This right here is an ABC zigzag. Can be a full wave 1. That is a wave 2, and next we're going to get a wave 3, 4, 5 like this. That's another possibility. Yeah, for now, I'm gonna add it in the folder. You know what? Because we have to be aware of it. So another wave 1, 2, 3. Oh well, let's just do this a little bit better. Blue. Let's put this like that. Yeah, this is very bullish, that one. I don't like this so much, but anyways. So this is a mega bull. And the other one here will be just to be aware of, so we just think about it live in the time. If we have to do this, wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5, bull, ending. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so this will be the main plan right now. As soon as Bitcoin is holding, you know, the support we have planned, it's all good. But if we start breaking this value low, getting acceptance below here, I will be really careful, and I will take more, to be honest with you, the bearish configuration like this. Okay, with a longer wave for here, the double EXY. We can maybe add the squares there. Boom, 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 and boom. Perfect. There. There you go. Where is the chat here? And Paul. So Paul, it's in there, and it's all the way up, by the way. Yeah, I still have my long below here. Not much to update on this. Personally, I'm waiting for the targets to be hit. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait for this value high to be reclaim it, flip it into support, and so you can take the long, for example, on the flip it into support like that. But yeah, the best would go below, but Bitcoin is holding the line. This is not going to happen, right? So maybe we can go on a weekly time frame on this one. Okay, daily here. Next zone of resistance coming around the top there. All right, so let me just have a look at this really quick. Good, perfect. Alright, so the best way to go like this, like get a rise, reject this first resistance, value low, anchor it, view up, flip that thing into support, get the long trade if Bitcoin is still bullish, of course, and bam 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 bam, continue higher. That will be yeah, that'll be something good, not gonna lie. Okay, that will be really in case Bitcoin is bullish. Jeez, my through today is pretty great. But just 2 seconds, please. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is in case we go below, still a valid target 100% here below. Otherwise, we have that nice long trade here. If we manage to reclaim this value at a high level. Yeah. And when you took the long, I would be aware of this zone again, and I will take profit once if Bitcoin is, for example, bearish once Paul did touch the target, and well, Bitcoin is bearish at the same time. Yeah, so this is just, I'm gonna draw this again, boom boom boom, so I do not forget about the plan, and so we can put this here too. Good. And with the wave, well, I don't have the wave on this. Yeah, but in any case, we've got some 5 waves before here, to be honest with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so problem here again is that it can be a flat. Yep, there you go. So it can be an ABC flat, and so ABC, and so just a longer correction, you know, into a bigger drop down. So again, these 5 waves are not helping really. But the thing is, as soon as Bitcoin is bullish, it is more likely here wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I maybe already have this. No. So either is kind of big bullish wave, either as always an ABC zigzag, you know, I think you know already this, but there you go. Okay, so that is it for Paul. And there you go. Good morning. Can you have a look at FIDA and POPCAT? Yeah, sure. FIDA, POPCAT is there. Let's start with that one as it's already there. Here. Where is this? Just gonna move this on the right here because I cannot see what's going on otherwise. Yeah, again, The premise right now with the drop we've got is this was a very complex low. If we really do get a bounce like this now, that was a very complex low, not gonna lie, because the thing is, on really all the alts, you know, we've planned a target, and basically here, what you can see, we've planned a long here. Basically what happened there, went a little bit below the target, flip it almost, well, the dot is not the best example, but we really went below the target, flipping into resistance, and well, now we are reclaiming, but yeah, for example, this one here, you can see we have planned this nice zone of support. As when we was above, we went below here, flipped this into resistance twice, and now we are getting acceptance above. So now we need to maintain above and flip that into support to really manage to get the long trade. And this is like down 90% of the outs. The low here, you can see even there, we've got a massive front run here of the next target. So this is really this zone of resistance here, I mean support. That was to trade, and this is, you know, a complex level approach that you have on the website. This is just on the opposite here. This is for a short trade, so that will be for a long trade. Just have to do the opposite. So for example here, that will be for a short trade. Go above the level, flip it into support, fake the pump, so either just a simple retest with not a new high, either a new high, then go below the level, flip into resistance, come back down. If you do the opposite, so for a long trade, you go below the level, you flip it into resistance, you do a retest with or without a new low, it depends, then you manage to reclaim, flip into support, and continue the bounce. So basically it will be this. You go below, flip into resistance, fake the drop, either with a new low, either with a retest, reclaim, flip into support, and bounce. So you just have to see here, we have to see basically what is going on now. If we manage to flip this into support, we're good. Otherwise, if we fail to go, well, to hold this as support, boom, 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 we're going to go below again. Yeah, but that's why this was a very complex low. Not gonna lie, this was very complex, but anyways. So now, well, basically we have to reclaim now this zone of support and flip into support really to get the long. Otherwise, we're going to, I'm going to look personally for the next zone of support as we have planned, really, as simple as that. Sorry again. So yeah, this is the plan really on that one. Not much otherwise to update, to be honest with you. Yeah. FIDA, it should be on the all the way down here. Yep, so what's happened on this? It's the same, not gonna lie, there's not much to update on that. There's really not much to update on this. Again, on that one here, we need to... yeah. But again, this is very complex. Again, that one we just bounced from. Well, we did this was a 30, if I'm correct. But too long. Like right now, I mean, the thing is too long at support right now. Right now, we are into the resistance. So the thing is to wait for this to reclaim it, flip it into support again, and next the first take break will be still this, right? And you pray for this to go higher. Take break one if needed here if Bitcoin is bearish, for example, when we hit that on FIDA. If we hit this on FIDA and Bitcoin is bearish at the same time, take profit once. If Bitcoin is still bullish, no need to take profit and wait for the next target, really, as simple as that. But yeah, that'll be the process also on that one, to be honest with you, the process of this. And if we do go below, well, we have the target there. Okay, now it all depends really of Bitcoin, to be fair. So, and about the higher time frame, not gonna update this because I completely forgot about the higher time frame. You can simply go here into the not on the website, in the Discord server, Alts TA. Again, all of these channels are absolutely free, so Alts TA section there. And you can just find FIDA that is there. You have all the updates, and normally it's not the latest one here, the last one, that it's the one on the 23rd of December 2024. Just go and check out that one here. You have the FIDA update in there, and you have the higher time frame. Really talking about the higher time frame. Nothing has changed since then, to be honest with you. So yeah, nothing more to add on this. To be fair, POPCAT did got the reclaim of the value area low. You've got you can see here the flip to support of this before to get another bounce, but now we're stuck again at the path control. Yeah, this is, we need to see some sign of strength, to be fair. yeah, I mean, this was a very complex law again. On every house, this was a very, very, very complex law. We've got a complex level approach, so it was complex. This is in the name, really. We've got the support, you went below, flip it into resistance. So when you flip something into resistance, it's not the best. Now on the retest here, well, when was that? It was simply on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We started to get the rise. Yeah, this one a little bit before. But yeah, personally, I went away on Thursday afternoon already because I had to do all my. Well, I was just planning my trip really for the weekend. So, I mean, for Friday to Sunday. So when next I left on Friday around 3 a.m. So I wasn't really on the chart anything. So yeah, for me, this is missed. I'm gonna simply wait for a move, either a reclaim, flip into support, either a move down and reach our target, really, reach our support below. Yeah, that's it really. Maybe we can remove this a little bit here because that's a lot of levels we're having there. Yeah, so I think that's it really for today. Let's come back on the one here. You've got BOME here. You've got a nice, so you've got the long trade here. I did this on my side. I didn't pass it the TAs, but you've got this long here from the bottom of the triangle. You've got a reclaim, flip into support, boom, and now the possible short trades of the path control. If we do one more push up, Bitcoin is bearish, you can get a short trade, and the long trade really, I did not updated that since then, so that will be simply the full uptrend. Well, the problem is we don't have the data really. We need this last push up here to pull the fixed range to the very top. That will change here. But we can look maybe for the top of the triangle. Otherwise, the bottom here, so a long trade around there really. No, wow. Like this. Okay, let me just get rid of these draw. And that will be the next possible long trade. If we drop below here, you have this one or the one from the bottom, really, the top three of the triangle. But we need to get the new data for this. For now, it's not 100% confirmed. We have to get the last push up here into the path control to be able to pull the good fixed range for that. Okay, so please don't forget to pin me if I forget about this to update that. Just gonna control everything here. Perfect. So yeah, on this being said, that's it really for today. We have the Bitcoin plan, everything is ready, so we are good to go. Do we have any news? It looks like we do have there at the bottom. We do have on Tuesday, so tomorrow we have some news at 4 p.m. UTC +1, so be aware of this. ISM and GOLTs. I have no idea what this is, to be honest with you. I'm not sure this is most of the time within the market, but well, it's there in the high importance news. So well, let's be aware of this. Tomorrow, 4 p.m. UTC +1. I said UTC +2, no? Before I don't know. Anyways, it's UTC +1. So be aware of this for tomorrow. Otherwise, today we'll have nothing, and on Wednesday we have the FOMC at 8 p.m. UTC +1. But again, we will be live on Wednesday morning, so we'll do a quick reminder on this day. So yeah, take care of you. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoy, as always, please don't forget to smash a like if you take the time. Thank you so much for this. And yeah, take care of you. I hope you had a nice weekend, and catch you all on Wednesday for the next one, otherwise over the Discord, in the material, well, in the Discord, really, in general chat or whatever, really, just over the Discord. Thanks for watching, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.